Hey guys, Ella here from Zik Analytics, and in this video we're going to go over the top 500 items that sold in the last 48 hours on eBay. Let's dive into that presentation now. So how to get to the 500 best-selling eBay items, we're going to go ahead and click this button here. So basically what this is that we pull data from eBay in the last 48 hours and we get the best 500 selling eBay items in those last 48 hours. And this is from all the marketplaces, so eBay.com, eBay Germany, and every other international marketplace. So here on this first page, we have the image, the title, and we have the price and the number of sales. And this is organized from most sales to least sales. So how can you use this feature? Well, this feature is a great tool to use to get product and niche ideas very quickly, because this shows you exactly what is trending at the moment. So my suggestion to you when on this page to filter the pricing from the most expensive to the least expensive. And this is because we want to work with products that are above $15 to $20. That way we have more room for profit. Then you would just go ahead and scroll through these items, and my suggestion is to skip the branded items because again, if you can't find that exact item, it just won't work out for you. So let me list a couple pages here to find an item, and I will show you what the next steps are. So here on page number 3, let's scroll down. Okay, this seems like a non-branded item. Seems pretty simple. Lots of people need these. So we're going to go ahead and click on the scan title button, which will scan this title under all locations. So then here in the search bar, we're going to delete some of these extra keywords, and we're just going to leave the backup camera mirror, and we're going to go ahead and click on search to get the most results for those keywords. We're going to select all items and click on Zik selection to get the statistics of this item and these keywords. So here we see some great statistics for the searched keyword backup camera mirror. So here you can see how quickly I found a really good niche. We have $17,000 of sales earnings in the last 30 days, 571 sold items in the last 30 days, and the average product price is $32.54. Once we get this information at the top, we scroll down to the product list. You can look through it, check out the prices on each item, and then you can move on to product validation. So this is the power of using our last 48 hours deals. This gives you access to the best-selling items in the last 48 hours. It gives you 500 best-selling items on eBay. So you can just come here, scroll, look for niches, look for product ideas. This is a perfect fit for drop shippers, wholesalers, or even if you're a manufacturer. As a manufacturer, you can scroll these pages, check out what's in trend, what's in demand, and make your products based on that. So guys, this was a quick video on how our last 48 hours deals features work. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below this video. And please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more of these videos. Thanks guys, see you next time.